Take a look. Who doesn't have this super popular movable paper woman? Not only does the body move, she also blinks her eyes. Today we will also make a movable bodyka. Take out the material package. Follow the instruction manual. First, remove the head paper card of the solid card. Apply dot glue to the circle area. Then cut the hole in the front of the body. Hang into the corresponding dot intersection. Align and paste the other head. After turning it over, stick dot glue on the circled part of the body. Then align the left and right arms and sides. Hang in the dot glue. Then use joint spacers to stick on the dot stickers. Then we will move the hands and calves. Put it on in the same way. Be sure to pay attention here and don't put it backwards in all directions. Then align the back of the body and stick it. Next, let's put Batika into beautiful clothes. Put the hairstyle on first. Then the double eyelids are also arranged. Take out a set of skirts, paired with cute bareback. Wear cool shoes. The beautiful Batika is ready. Hi, how are you? I am a moving Batika paper man. One more. Let's do it next time.